Hey everyone, welcome back. Today we're diving into an exciting matchup in the world of AI video generation. Google Veo 2 versus OpenAI Sora. Both are cutting-edge tools shaping the future of how we create video with AI. But which one comes out on top? Google Veo 2 is part of Google's Gemini ecosystem. It generates high-quality, short-form cinematic videos from simple text prompts, supporting dynamic camera moves, dialogue, and sound effects. It's great for creators looking to make sleek, 8-second visual stories with minimal effort. OpenAI Sora, meanwhile, is designed to generate longer, more photorealistic videos up to 60 seconds long with complex scenes and multiple characters. It offers a powerful storyboard interface and outputs in 1080p for pro users, making it ideal for creators who want more depth and realism. For the feature breakdown, ease of use, VO2 is intuitive and fast, great for short creative bursts. Sora's storyboard and frame-by-frame tools are better for detailed planning but come with a steeper learning curve. For the video quality, Sora takes the edge with more realistic rendering and longer durations. VO2 looks polished, but it's limited to shorter clips. For the creative control, Sora allows advanced remixing and scene control. VO2 is more streamlined but less customizable. One Redditor pointed out that the current version of Sora is not the same as the original research release. OpenAI mentioned in a live stream that Sora Turbo is a cost-optimized version made for public rollout. Likewise, it's unclear if Google's demo content from VO2 will match the version users actually get. If you want quick, stylish, short-form videos with minimal hassle, Google Veo 2 is the winner. But if your priority is photorealism, longer scenes, and greater control, OpenAI Sora delivers a more powerful professional-grade tool. Both tools are impressive, but your ideal choice depends on your goals, speed and simplicity versus realism and control. Try both if you can. This comparison is based on personal opinion and publicly available research as of 2025. Features may evolve, so always check official stores for the latest updates.